welcome to my channel. My name is SARALEERAE, and if you'd like to watch how I created this drugstore glowy ass makeup, then just keep on watching. Let's get started. First I'm using the Antibacterial Sanitizer by GREENCROSS. This is from the Philippines to disinfect my hands. Then I'm using the Strobing cream Away We Glow by NYX. It's the yellow toned one. Then I'm using Honey Dew Me Up, the primer by NYX, which actually does smell like honey. And I apply this all over my face. I think it has like tiny gold flocks. Well. Then I'm using the This Is Everything lip oil for my lips to prime my lips. And I'm using the Perfect Match foundation by L'Oreal, mixing 2 shades. Then I'm dotting the foundation on my face, and after dotting it all over my face, I'm going in with my Sigma Flat Kabuki brush F80 to apply my foundation. And then I'm using the sponge by Real Techniques, which is wet. I'm using the Away We Glow Liquid Illuminator by NYX. I'm using a few of these drops and apply it on the tip of my nose, on my cheekbones, on my eyebrow bone, and above my lips. Guys, I have used this product for the very first time, and to be honest, it sucks. It sucks. It's so difficult blending it in. It took me ages to blend it in just to make it kind of appropriate looking. At least it looks kinda appropriate in the video, but shitty as hell.
3 hours later.
I had such a hard time buffing this in. Then I'm using the Makeup Revolution Concealer, shade C10. Which should be a dupe to the Tarte concealer. I actually prefer the Tarte concealer. And then I'm using the Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10, just to brighten this area up. Then I'm using the Fit Me Loose Powder by Maybelline. Big under my eyes, on my forehead, and on the wrinkles beside my mouth. Then I'm going to use the Macro Pencil by NYX in the shade Black and NYX Eyebrow Gel Control Freak. If you want to see an in-depth tutorial how I do my eyebrows, I'm gonna link my tutorial in the description box. I'm using my Real Techniques brush to wipe off the dust of the powder. I'm using the Deluxe Pointed Contour Brush out of the Complexion Gold set by Morphe. And I'm going to contour my face with the Matte Bronzer by NYX in the shade Deep Tan 05. And I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and this is by far one of my favorite liners. Super waterproof and very easy to apply, and it doesn't smudge at all. In case you're wondering, this is the hand of my mom. I asked her to say hi, but she's kinda camera shy. So, that's the deal. This is my way how I apply eyeliner. This way it makes it really easy to get the same wing on both eyes. Viewing the side without and with eyeliner on shows what an impact eyeliner has on shaping your eye. Then I'm using falsies. These are actually just very cheap Amazon lashes, which I will link as well in the description box, using the duo Eyelash Glue. And then, while dancing and shaking and dancing and shaking, I wait till it's dry. Usually I prefer applying falsies with a tweezer, but in this case I just applied it with my fingers. First I'm pressing the lash on the center of my eye, and when it sticks to the lash line, I press the other corners on too. Following, I'll coat my lashes with mascara. You can use any kind of mascara to blend in your natural lashes with your fake lashes. Using the NYX Born to Glow highlighter palette with my Morphe Y14 Pro Detail highlight brush, I'm going to highlight my face. I kind of overdid the highlighting. That's why I fixed everything by blending my face with a clean Real Techniques foundation brush. I actually always thought the brand is called NYX, but I've met an employee of NYX. They told me it's called NYX. Using the NYX lip liner in the shade 819 Soft Brown to contour my lips. And now I'm going to use my holy grail lipsticks. They are by the brand L.O.V, and I'm using the matte shades number 900 and 940. I'm first applying the shade 900. I like to apply the lipstick 940 over it and taking off the excess with a tissue. And these are by far the best lipsticks I've ever used in my entire life. Then I'm going in with the Trended Up Avenues lip oil, and that's it. That's the entire lip. And I have a stain on my face, right there. Now it's gone. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more of your girl SARALEERAE, then hit the subscription button and turn on notifications. Love you all!